Hi, my bubbas, my booba tubas, and my love buggies. Welcome to another online session. Let me start by saying that I love you and I miss you with my whole heart. So, for today, if you've noticed, I've put up a little wall just like we have in our class and that we use during morning message. So, today I'm going to go over all the sounds that we've done and our wonderful heart words. And then you'll be able to practice them yourselves. I also might throw in some tricky McTricksters, just like I do in class, so watch out for those. So let's look at the letters that we've done, and I'm going to help you by saying the sounds. First we have the letter D, and we dab, D, D, D. Then we have the letter R. Let's roar like a lion. Next we have the letter H. Show me how hot you are. Then we have our Rudy U. Get rude with your attitude. Next we have the letter B. Blow your bubbles. B, B, B. Next we have the letter F. Show me your fish. Next we have the letter P. Let me hear it and get ready to eat your pizza. P, P, P. Next we have the letter N. Get angry. It's our favorite one. And give me your Next we have the letter L. Let me hear it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Next we have the letter I. It's extra disgusting. Let me hear your icky eye. Eh, eh, eh. Next we have the letter S. Show me your snake. Next we have the letter A. Scaredy cat A goes ah, ah, ah. Next we have the letter C. Get ready to cough. K, k, k. Next we have the letter M. Who's hungry? Next we have the letter G. Where are my gorillas? G, g, G. Next we have the letter T. Show me how you tap. T, t, t. Next we have Aw Man O. He's always in a bad mood. He goes, ah, ah. Good job listening to the sounds, everyone. Next time you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's look at our wonderful heart words. O-N spells on. I-S spells is. T-H-E spells the. W-A-S spells was. A-N-D spells and. Great review, everyone. Next time I post, you'll be the ones who can do it. Check the next video to practice reading some of our words. Love you!